Hello everybody. Have any of you noticed who's been watching my video? Every time I do a video, airplanes go by? Just me? Just wondering. Anyways, how you guys doing? I am braving the heat. As you know me, daily dose of medicine is getting into nature, getting some vitamin D from the sun, and sweating out all the stress and chaos of this crazy world, but enjoying every minute of it. My name is Andrea Mason, your global voice, your personal accountability coach. I totally forgot my, whatchamacallit. I forgot my thingy. Here we go, educational term, Andrea. My tripod. So bear with me guys, it's a little shaky, but it's all part of the story. So how are you guys doing? I just checked the daily calendar and we've got 3 more weeks remaining in August. Now for some of y'all below the equator, you're closing up the winter. For those of us above the equator, are braving the heat and closing out the summer. School, if it hasn't already, has begun. Work session, daily grinds, a new quarter to the fiscal year, good new changes, and getting prepared for the fall. Yes, I know you guys are saying, Andrea, it is only August. Why are you talking about the fall? Well, if you know me, you know I plan everything. Plan life according to you. Press play in this crazy game of life. And I want to tell you, no matter what you do in life, be prepared for obstacles. Be prepared for challenges. Because if you are not going up and down in a roller coaster, you're not being challenged in life. You're just settling like quicksand and just being stagnant. Get out there, get exercised, get into nature, get that body moving, get your mind being on the creative path, and start creating. What projects do you have in store for the fall term? Are you guys arts and crafts? Are you going to write an article, a book, create a podcast, get into a new semester of life? What are you working towards? I've got so many projects in the works. I am so excited and cannot wait. Just by this quick tidbit. Good thing about this is that I can see behind me in case there's any bears. Because yes, ladies and gentlemen, I live in bear country on the mountains. As you can hear me, I'm going down the mountain right now. But all in all, it's a good time. I take a daily walk every day at my best. On the off days, I usually take 45 minutes. And on the regular days, I usually take 15 to 30 minutes. But a body in motion stays in motion, and our body is our temple. Treat it well with what you put in it, into your mind, body, soul, and spirit. I want you to challenge yourself. Allow yourself to put on your notes, put on your docket, put on your notepad, your reminders, your tablets, and your computers. What is one goal you are going to achieve by the end of August? Write down in the comments below and let me know what that is. And I'd be more than happy to help you as an accountability coach and get you there. Feel like you get stuck, feel like no motivation? I'm your girl. So connect with me and like, share, subscribe, hit this notification bell, share it out, and go to my website and let's connect. I'll see you there. I'm your girl. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching, bringing you daily content every single day, reminding you to press play. Plan life according to you.